Networking and IT infrastructure spendings are two of the fastest growing parts of IT budgets. But it's also one of the most overlooked opportunities for cost optimization. We analyzed a detailed Gartner research report, so you don't have to. Let me share some saving insights with you. In 2026, IT leaders are being asked to deliver more performance, more uptime, and more security, all while budgets tighten. Licensing changes, long lead times, and vendor lock-in are making network costs harder to control. Here's what the data shows. Roughly 66% of network budgets are tied to WAN, transport, and network equipment. Maintenance alone can account for 10 to 20%. Gartner's research shows that organizations can reduce overall network spending by up to 40% without redesigning their networks, by using smarter sourcing and lifecycle strategies. The biggest savings don't come from cutting corners. They come from extending hardware life cycles where utilization allows, using vendor-agnostic sourcing, and leveraging certified refurbished hardware with warranty coverage. Selective third-party maintenance and refurbished transceivers can also unlock significant savings when applied thoughtfully. At Catalyst Data Solutions, we help organizations apply these strategies in the real world. With over 90,000 refurbished products in stock, multi-vendor coverage, and warranty-backed options, we help teams optimize spend while maintaining reliability. We support SMBs, enterprises, and government organizations with practical vendor-agnostic IT sourcing. If you and your team are planning network upgrades, renewals, or cost optimization initiatives in 2026, we're here to guide in every step. Explore our nimble inventory or contact us for any sort of IT infrastructure requirements. Talk to you soon.